keep on going. It's good. Okay, here we are at the Pichincha volcano in Ecuador. We're at the height of 4,600 meters, which is a little over 14,000 feet. So there's not a lot of air up here to breathe. This volcano erupted in quite a major way in 1999. It sent a huge ash cloud right over the city of Quito, which is about 20 kilometers away from here. And it's down there at the moment. It's building a new lava dome slowly. The lava dome, it's a bit like toothpaste coming out of a toothpaste tube. It's just going to come out very slowly, and then eventually it'll block up and the pressure will build up and another series of explosions will happen. And those can really happen at any time from, who knows, a matter of weeks from now to a matter of years. Not really a lot is known about exactly when these things will blow up. These sort of volcanoes are the ones that tend to have the most violent eruptions because the magma slowly comes out. It's very sticky and the lava dome just builds up pressure until eventually there's an explosion.
No es para acá. No vayas.